Hi, it's Angela from Rhythm Wigs by Headspace NC, and welcome to another Maintenance Monday. Today I want to talk about the part in your wig. You may have gotten your wig and your part is either on the right, is this the right? On the right or the left side, and you have about this much room on your wigs and you can part it anywhere along that space there. So I'm going to show you how to change your part and have it look really natural. So first I want to zoom in and show you the part on my wig. I almost always show my hairline, and I think that just looks a little more natural instead of bringing the wig all the way forward. But when I wear my gray wigs, I do bring it all the way forward, but this is my preference. A little, maybe a quarter-inch, half-inch back. That way they see my natural hair here. And so because my part, and most people's part in their own hair is wider than the part that you would see on a wig. And so what I've done here, because I have particularly fine hair, I've plucked a little bit right in here so that the part on my own scalp so that the part on the wig, on the lace, is lined up with the width of the part in my own scalp. So I'm going to show you what I mean, and I'm going to actually show you by changing the part on this wig. I'm going to move it from the center to the side, and I'll show you how I do that from beginning to end so that you can do the same on your wig if you'd like. So it'll be easier for you to see what I was talking about now. This is the area that I plucked some of these hairs out so that it would line up with the width of my natural part. Okay, I didn't do it all the way down. You certainly can. It takes a little practice. So for now, I'm just going to show you how to do it right in front so you'll get that area to line up. But you can go on YouTube and maybe I will do a video to show you how you can take the width all the way down. Okay, so now you'll see that this part was in the middle. So I'm now going to part it a little deeper down. And again, if you don't pull out a lot of hair, that will allow you to go back and wear your hair in the center again, right? Or go back and forth. So we're not going to do a lot of plucking. We're just going to do a little bit. So I love this rat tail comb. Everyone should have one. It just makes the parting so much easier. Okay, so I'm just, again, I'm moving my part down. Okay, and I'll show you too that this is the width that I refer to. That any part in here has the lace, so you can part anywhere along here. That's called a closure. So you'll see some people just put a little curve on the part. Just looks a little more natural if it's curved. Some people go really deep with their curves. That's up to you how you want to do that. And I'm just parting it with a bit of a curve. Okay. And you can go all the way back if you'd like. It's up to you. Okay, so that's the part. And so you can see how much narrower this area is to where I had the part that was in the center. Okay, so I'm just going to get my tweezer. I'm going to come in here. And you really just want to take 2 or 3 strands at a time and just pull it out, okay? Just a few. It's probably a few too many. Just a few. And you're going to just pull it out. Okay? Remember, you can't put it back in, so be conservative and just do a little bit at a time. until you get it just the way you like it. Okay. I don't have a preference. I haven't established a preference on which tweezer to use. This is just one that I keep in my studio, so it works just fine. Okay. And you'll see it's just a little wider in here. I'm going to just take out a little bit more right here. And right in here. Okay, and that's about it. I think that's all I'll need. So the other thing I'll do is I'm gonna just wet this down a little bit so that the hair will stay in place in its new spot. The best time to part your hair is when you are doing a maintenance on it. So before you do the Denman brush where you are actually doing the clumping, just put the part just where you like it and it'll lay down perfectly for as long as you have that style, okay? So now I'm gonna put this back on and show you how this looks. And then there are a few other steps I wanna show you before I let you go today. So I'm just using the rat tail comb and I'm putting it right there and just making a part right there to line up. Does that look okay? To line up exactly with that. Let me see, I have to look. Okay? That better? Okay, now that's how I get my part to line up. Hold on, let me see. And I just think that looks so natural. My own hair is here and then the part is there. Now, if you are seeing a little of the lace here that makes you uncomfortable, very easy. Right now, to me, it's fine. There's nothing I would change about that. But if you'd like, you just get a pencil that's the same color as your hair and just touch it on the lace a little bit to make that disappear. Okay, that's all you have to do there. And that's it. So again, you have some flexibility with your rhythm wig. You don't have to keep it in the part where it is. You can change it up a little bit. You can go a little deeper than I have my part on either side, and you can go in the middle. So again, you have that range. And it's as simple as that. If I wanted to go back to the middle, the only thing I would do is find my middle part, just that same place where I plucked it a little bit. And then when I separate it, you just spritz it, wet it so that the part kind of finds its new position and you're ready to go. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time on Maintenance Monday. Bye.